The reInvent conference is all about the new services coming out from Amazon Web Services, as well as all the current services, and they have hands-on courses and training.
reInvent 2019 was absolutely incredible.
Oh yeah, it was awesome.
It's going to always have a place in my heart going forward.
It's pretty much the biggest cloud conference in the world.
Almost 80,000 people. It's crazy.
The event takes up like the whole Las Vegas Strip.
Massive conference, sea of people.
Just thousands and thousands of people all doing the same thing that we're all about.
Good opportunity to see where things are. AWS has progressed a lot in a year since we were there last year.
Reimagining the things that we do on a day-to-day basis, how we put together applications.
Some of the most technically strong people are there. A lot of the AWS SAs and really the product teams that have been working on the product all year round.
We can really get a full understanding and work collaboratively with the community.
My biggest takeaway was the scope and how developer-centric it is. You could be a developer and write some code and build your data center all at the same time. You don't need any physical equipment nor any specialty. You're just subscribing to services and you consume them without having to worry about how they're built or work on the back end.
They keep making more tools and more updates to like SageMaker and SageMaker Studio to make machine learning more accessible to basically every customer. So regardless of like the skill level, you don't have to be a data scientist anymore to start using some of these tools today.
Everybody, including my grandmother's got a data center in their pocket just because of AWS.
The biggest takeaway that I got is a machine learning heavy future.
Successful companies into the future are going to be doing more with their data, using new machine learning algorithms to actually be more efficient.
The biggest takeaway for me was the CEO of AWS talking about leadership transformation. There's really 4 things every leader needs to know as they're getting ready for the digital transformation. First thing, senior leadership has to have conviction and complete alignment if they're going to be successful in any digital transformation. The second thing is a set of top-down aggressive goals to chase after. The third thing is training your builders to be the absolute best. And the fourth thing is not letting paralysis slow you down before you even get started.
It opened our eyes to see how big of an opportunity there is for us to capitalize on the cloud movement.
My main takeaway of the conference is that we have a lot more customers to serve.
I understand it's going to be a shared journey. They have the brain power to do this, but they want somebody to help them go through it.
The importance of being able to meet with clients face to face.
94% of the market is still using on-prem solutions. So we want to get those people to the cloud, modernize them, and using modern technologies so we can transform them to the next phase of their company.
We need to keep moving faster even than we did in 2019.
I was lucky enough to go out to the first reInvent that Innovate attended last year, and that's when we decided we were going on this massive cloud journey. So we're going to keep going forward, even more crazy and daring into this next year.
The time to move is now.